Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program for decimal to binary conversion. That means we will have the number in decimal. Okay. That means we are going to ask user that you enter any number but in decimal format, and we are going to convert that number in what binary. So first of all, hash include stdio.h, stdilib.h, that is the standard library, and then conio.h, that is the console input output dot h, and dot h is the header file. So these are nothing but the header files which we have used in this program. Okay, next thing is void main function, open the bracket, and we are declaring some variables. So first variable is a of 10, that is nothing but the array variable, and it has a capacity, or you can say that size is what, 10. Then two normal variables, that is nothing but n and I. Okay, now next thing is that we are asking user that you enter the number in what, decimal format. So for that scanf and %d, and for that we are using one variable which is nothing but what, n. Okay, so let's say for example only, user has entered here 15. Okay, 15 for example purpose only I am saying. Okay, yeah. So here let's say for example user has entered what, number 50. Okay, so we want binary of that 15. So we have used for loop. Okay, so that is nothing but this thing. So we will start. First thing is I equal to 0, which means your initial value of I is what, 0. Second is what, n greater than 0. So right now, as per our example, okay, as per our assumption, what is the value of n? 15. So 15 greater than 0. So that is condition true only. That means inside of for loop. So inside the for loop, what we have is a of I. So right now I is 0. Okay, I is 0. So a of 0 is equal to n modulo 2. Now n is nothing but what, 15. So 15 modulo 2, it means we have to check for the remainder. In that case, we will get remainder as what, 1. Okay, so a of 0 at this point, it will be equal to what, 1. So we will write that also, a of 0 equal to 1. Okay, done. Now n is equal to n divided by 2. So now we know that value of n is what, 15. So 15 divided by 2, and we have to check for the quotient. Okay, so in the first case, if it is 15, first of all let me write n is equal to 15 divided by 2. So what you will get, n is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. So we will get n equal to what, 7. Okay, after that closing bracket indicates you have to come here, I plus plus. Okay, so now the value of I is what, 1. Again check for the condition, n greater than 0. Now n is not 15. The new value of n is what, 7. So 7 greater than 0, which means condition is true only. So again inside the for loop, again here, now a of 1 and 7 modulo 2. A of 1, 7 modulo 2. So here before we write anything, it was a of 0 equal to 1. Now we will write a of 1. Okay, a of 1 is equal to 7 modulo 2. Again you will get remainder as what, 1 only. Again n is equal to n divided by 2. So n is equal to 7 divided by 2, which means n is equal to 3. Again I plus plus. So again here, now the value of I is what, 2. Again 3 greater than 0. So again it will go inside of that for loop. Again here Now it will be a of 2 is equal to 3 modulo 2. Again remainder what? 1. Okay. N is equal to n modulo by 2. Okay. So n is equal to 3 divided by 2, and in that case you will get n is equal to 1. Okay. Again closing bracket, again I plus plus. Okay. So now the value of I is 3. Okay. And value of n is 1. So 1 greater than 0, again condition is true only. Again inside the for loop. So again here, okay, again here only. So again we will write a of 3 is equal to, now 1 modulo 2. When it comes to 1 modulo 2, remainder is what? 1 only. Okay. Then n is equal to, n is equal to 1 divided by 2. In that case, you will get n equal to what? 0. Okay. Close this bracket. I plus plus. Now the value of I is what? 4. But here n greater than 0. Current value of n is what? 0. So 0 greater than 0 is condition is false. So come out from this for loop. Okay. Now next thing is printf binary of given number is. Now we have stored our answer in array, that is here, that is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, and answer is 1, 1, 1 and 1. So to print this, okay, again we will require one for loop which will print a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and likewise. Okay, so now here for I equal to, okay, I equal to I minus 1. So first of all, let me tell you one thing, the previous value of I. The previous value of I, it was 4. Okay. So at this point, 4 minus 1, I is equal to what? 3. Okay. And 3 is greater than equal to 0. Condition is true only. So printf a of I. A of I means what? A of 3. So here a of 3 is what? 1. Then bracket close means we have to come here, I minus minus. So now instead of I3, it will be I equal to what? 2. Again it will check for the condition 2 greater than equal to 0. Again condition is true only. So again it will be inside of this for loop printf a of 2. So a of 2 is also what? 1. Let me write our answer also here simultaneously. First of all, it will check for a of 3, then a of 2, then a of 1 also, and then a of 0 also, because here the condition is greater than equal to. Okay, once the condition is false, it will come out of this for loop, and then void main function bracket also we will close, and this is the output. Enter the number in decimal, and the binary of given number is what? 11001. So one more thing, if you don't know about decimal to binary conversion, then first you check like what is decimal numbers and what is binary numbers, everything properly, and then you can go ahead with this program. Okay, so thank you all.